Good morning, students. In this session, I am going to discuss factors affecting delay period. Okay, so we have already seen there are three basically stages in CI engine. First one was delay period. Okay, so delay period, then uncontrolled combustion and controlled combustion. So that is called controlled combustion, and thereafter after burning. Okay, so there were three stages in CI engine. Now delay period, see what are the factors or variable which affect the delay period. Okay, so first of all let us take up the factors. Okay, then what will be the effect? Okay, so factor is inlet temperature, number 2 inlet pressure. Let us write out the factors, then I will discuss what will be the effect. Okay, number 3 compression ratio, number 4 water jacket temperature. Okay, number 5 speed of engine, number 6 fuel, that is SIT, self ignition temperature. Okay, then load of engine, then fuel injection pressure, then number 9 engine size. Okay, these are the factors. Now what are the effect of these things? That is here delay period. Okay, delay period. So see, if this inlet temperature increased, okay, if this inlet temperature increased, delay period reduces. Okay, remember, so inlet temperature is high, delay period reduces. Okay, like here inlet pressure also in the same condition. So if the inlet pressure increased, so once again delay period reduces. Okay, next compression ratio. As I told you, compression ratio, pressure and volume. Compression means decreasing the volume. So when we are going to decrease the volume, remember, then pressure will increase. So it will have the same effect. So if compression ratio increases, delay period will be shorter. Okay, that means we can reduce delay period. Water jacket temperature is also increased. In that case, what happens? See here, in that case, temperature here also, so it also reduces. Delay period reduces. Now, speed of the engine. If the speed of the engine is increased, then remember, this way delay period will also increase. Now, if the SIT, fuel ignition temperature, is increased, that is fuel increases, in that case this delay period also increases. Okay, so increases here also. Load of the engine is increased. If it is increased, then this will reduce. Okay, now injection pressure is high. Suppose injection pressure is high, delay period here also reduces. And engine size, whatever may be, it has no effect on delay period. So whether we increase or decrease, engine size increase or decrease, it has no effect on the delay period. Okay, so these are the factors affecting the delay period. Okay, so let us sum up what we have studied in this session. So factor affecting or variables, we can call it as variables also. Okay, so variables affecting the delay period. So delay period in CI engine, combustion stages were of 3: delay period, controlled, uncontrolled, controlled, and after burning. So this delay period we are going for in this session. What are the factors affecting the delay period? Okay, so inlet temperature increase, delay period reduces. Inlet pressure increases, once again delay period reduces. Okay, compression ratio, if we are going to increase, then it will have shorter delay period. Okay, water jacket temperature, if it increases, then it will have shorter delay period, or delay period reduces. Speed of the engine, remember this speed of the engine and fuel of the engine, if we are going to increase, then it will have less delay period. See here, that means this speed of the engine is increased, then delay period also increases. Only two factors, remember these two things. If you can remember these 7-8 points, out of these 7-8 points, only two factors, speed of the engine and SIT if increases, then delay period also increases. That only the two factors. Remaining all the factors, see, load of the engine is increases, then it will delay period reduces. Fuel injection pressure is increased, that is high, then also it reduces. Remember, engine size has no effect on the delay period. Okay, so whenever you are going to remember these points, remember speed and the fuel if increase, then delay period also increases. Rest of the parameters or variables, if you are going to increase, then delay period reduces. Okay, rest of the thing I will discuss in next class. Thank you.